by custom and by use, there where I cannot reach or stay. And I sing as lover and as friend, who of love dares not complain. So have I many ills endured, but I must not feign or pretend to lay down so sweet a burden. May God never let me break or bend a single day from loving well. It is not right that I refuse the grief that has made me pale and gray. My lady is sweet water and fire to burn me and to quench our way. But this never did any use, first to gild and then to paint and slay. At first I was welcome in her way, from then is my grief greater today, when after I find the sweet bitter fell. The eye through which has failed me so, sweet semblance has not falsified my will. Rather I love yet more my lady when toward me she's rough. If love works no miracle here, and is not proven upon my hide, never shall her worth be testified. Rather shall my loyalty without pride be reproached to her without falsehood spell. My lady, to whom I am rendered so, holds my joy imprisoned in itself, and the sweet semblance hidden away where she has given me death's own knell. If in love I am disbelieved, what do I fear? Foolish thought of way. If I were king or duke today, if she was so much loved by me, ought she not to think of me as well? So much is she above me, low, that I fear she may slay me. Truth to tell, if I am not remembered and brought to mind by love, who forgets rank and its spell. What was dissemblance sold to me in the sweet company I knew so well? Whence I think to be fallen and doomed to hell, but hope pledges me and gives me bail, ever to recover from this spell. Each day I am assailed anew by love, who holds me in her sway. Her mercy I have not defended me against her in any kind of way. Well, must I be believed in this? For I love her without treachery. So may I ever be held dear by my lady, whom I have served away. Long time without rewardings due. And where the pleases a reward shall be the pain well received. Blondel, who defies death's own blade.